Hello again, that's Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a Christmas in January. So I have just a few more kits that I need to use up to close out Christmas of 2023. I don't have any 2024 printed, but I did put kits together to force me to use some stuff up, and then I forgot all about them. So I've got some stickers, some chipboard, and some they're not really squishy. They're, I don't know what you would call that. I have a card that was gifted to me. It's a gift card holder by one of my friends. So I'm going to incorporate that somehow. We've got the Good Stuff Spiegel Mom Scrap Sequins, and then just some bits and bobs in here. Some Dottie About Flair, Old Flair. Some, why can't I ever remember the name? You guys know that I get a subscription box from them. Why am I having a brain fart? Color Rush Studio. No, Color Cast Designs. Oh my goodness gracious. I apologize to the company. I'm not affiliated with them. I just feel bad that I couldn't remember. Some Color Cast Design, acrylic, some twine, even some gold washi, some thread, you know, wood veneer, all kinds of fun things, some brads and such. So, we're going to start off, whoops, let's just mat the photo on this wood grain, and that's Maggie, MP, and their, the Christmas sweaters. Then we've got these three. What do we want to do? I feel like, do we want to do like a small and then a large and then the blue? Or do we want to flip it to a small blue? Or do we do a big blue? See, that loses the thing. I think we're going to go this route. Okay. So, I'm going to go ahead and gut those two. Let's go ahead and take this. I'm just going to take it down 1/4 of an inch. And we'll see if that's going to give me what I'm looking for. Like, for real. Very little. Yes. Yep. Okay, so then we'll take the blue down to 11 1/4 and 11 1/4. Okay. I'm going to gut these two and assemble them, and then I will trim this down and we'll be right back. Alright, so this is what I with to just to use up. I've gutted both of those and then I used them up here. I stuck the card on there, put a little happiness and cheer. We've got Warm Wishes as our title. Some fun little things. I do want to get this on here, but I gotta figure that out. Seeing if we put something behind it, if it'll pop better. Ooh. Nope, that looks stupid. Okay. Let's come in with the little hat and gloves. Really just focusing on the flowers. I'll get all this stuff on there in a minute. Or not the flowers, the sticker sheet here. So I'm just getting little things put on. Just filling up as necessary. Let's get the bow. Might have to pull that up to put something else with it. Yeah, let's put the flower there. And the bow right over it. These things are so cute, I don't want to not use them. And then we're just going to go with just putting this title up there and then build the cluster around it. Got a little piece stuck in there. This might not be, there we go. So how many projects have you guys finished up already this month? I've been organizing and just redoing things in the craft room. Once it's all done, I'll definitely give you a tour. It's very small though. My room is very, very small. Let's put a little bow there. Let's go ahead and add some adhesive because this sucker isn't going to stick without it. Let's do the big coffee cup. And this is just a hodgepodge of all of my older Christmas collections that were almost used up. And I was like, let's go for it. Let's get used up what we can get used up. But this, let's go this way. Let's hide the little arrow. And let's put this little bow on the other side. Right there. All right. Not gonna use the twine. And then all of this stuff, you guys, will just go into my, I made several of the kits, so I just kind of like roll it over, and then when I'm done, I will put it all away in my stash. And there's a third one. Like these, I don't even know where these came from. We can... This is going to be one of those more is a lot more. But that's alright. I haven't been doing too much on the more side, so that's good. But these layouts, I just like to get stuff used up. I'm just using the glue. These are little plastic buttons. And so, no harm, no foul. We'll get 3 of these on. Okay. This one put him right there. And this guy, where do you think? Let's put him down here. Kind of complete that. We do have these little pieces, but I don't know. This was inside of the card, so I just popped it out, put it on the front. Let's put in some of these stars. This says December 25th. Okay. Again, I don't know where any of this stuff came from. Some of this stuff has been sitting in my craft room for like a decade. And some of it's fairly new. But we're going to put one little bee on here because Bobo's is on there. And anytime I have a bee layout for Becca, I put a bee on there. And that is going to do it, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget to check everybody else out that's playing along with the hop. And if you want to see more fun stuff like this, remember I do have a members portion of my channel. Just sign up. We do weekly videos of individual content, more in-depth talking. So I hope to see you guys there, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.